There is the notion of living in your purpose or walking in your purpose or aligned with your purpose. Can you talk about that? What does that mean?
Okay, and like, when I first started, I said, it's my reason for existing. Okay, so I didn't just come to the earth just to eat, breathe, sleep, wake up, make some money, and have fun. That was not the only purpose. Absolutely, yeah, it's important for you to do these things. It's important for you to live life to the fullest, but at the same time, are you helping someone else along the way? Are you able to, pull someone else up so that they can, enjoy the benefits that this earth has? So when I talk about walking in my purpose, is how much am I giving back to my community? How much am I doing that makes me feel fulfilled as a human being? Not everybody may feel the same way. Some people may be like, you know what, let me just love me. Let me just take care of me. But to some of us, that's not fulfillment, me just taking care of me.
How do you know? What is it that send a signal to you or tell to you when you're actually walking in your purpose? Is there a special something happening within you that say, yes, I'm here?
Absolutely. It's that gut feeling. It's that gut feeling and that confidence that I'm doing the right thing. And there's peace about it. So I am not here just willingly getting up and doing something just because I feel like this right now. No, there is this deep inner belief, this deep inner conviction that I am doing the right thing, that this is what makes me feel fulfilled as a human being. And it's not like you're out here trying to make a name for yourself. That's another important thing to take into account, because from my foundation, what influences me was like God says, I will make your name great. So you're not out here trying to make a name for yourself. You're out here just trying to make sure that you're doing things that are, following your moral compass, and then also at the same time you have peace about it.
For those individuals who are not necessarily understanding what their purpose is, much less living in their purpose, what suggestions can you offer from your perspective that would enlighten them and help them to get to that place?
Well, one of the things that I would say is do nothing out of being anxious. You know what I mean? Don't do something, don't try to take on tasks that you're not prepared for. Do not do anything when you're anxious. Just try to listen to that inner being, that thing within you that is at peace within you, because you may be going through a lot of things and you're like, okay, now I want to do this and I want to do that. That might not be the right time for you to get up and do something. You want to be able to give from outside of what you already have. You don't have X, Y, Z to give. You cannot give it. So you have to wait until you're in a place of stillness. And that's where you want to really dig deep and ask yourself a question. Is this what I'm supposed to be doing? Am I feeling fulfilled when I do it? You want to be at peace with it, because whenever you're doing something when you're anxious, it's never going to be the right thing to do.
Okay, so intentionality,
mental clarity, all those stuff, that's extremely important.
Extremely important. Okay, when you made the discovery about your purpose, was there a series of events? What was going on in your life when the realization hit you that, wow, I am living in my purpose. I've discovered my purpose. Would you mind share that with our listeners?
Absolutely. I discovered my purpose back in 1998 when I was pregnant with my first child and I was homeless. That's when I discovered my purpose, because my eyes opened up to a whole world outside of what I was living in, and I didn't know that existed. And based on the help that I received, I was like, this is what I'm supposed to be doing when I'm stronger, when I'm restored, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. Now, from 1998 till 2022 is a long time.
Yes, it is.
It's a very long time. And it took me through a series of experiencing not just my own circumstances, but other people's circumstances, counseling other women who were going through, you know, similarities, and not just women from, you know, my walk of life, women from all walks of life. And I realized that it was a problem, and a problem that I had committed my mind to working, you know, through, and hadn't even done anything about it since 1998. So it came time for me to actually now move forward in what I had promised myself that I would do back in 1998.
So in 1998, you had a collision with your purpose.
Absolutely.